In the vast, silent expanse of interstellar space, 14 billion miles from Earth, Voyager 2 continues its solitary journey. Launched in 1977, this aging spacecraft has outlived its original mission to explore the outer planets, venturing into realms no human-made object has touched. Its faint signals, taking over 18 hours to reach Earth, have delivered data that transformed our understanding of the solar system. Yet, recent transmissions from Voyager 2 have unveiled something far more unsettling: images and signals that defy explanation, hinting at a presence beyond our comprehension. This article delves into the history of Voyager 2, the enigmatic data it has sent back, and the chilling implications of what it may have encountered in the cosmic abyss. Voyager 2, alongside its twin Voyager 1, was launched by NASA in August 1977 as part of the Voyager program to explore the outer planets of our solar system. Equipped with a suite of scientific instruments, including cameras, spectrometers, and magnetometers, Voyager 2 was designed to capture detailed data during flybys of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Its mission was ambitious: to provide humanity's first close-up views of these distant worlds and their moons, rings, and magnetic environments. The spacecraft's journey was a triumph of engineering and science. At Jupiter, Voyager 2 revealed the planet's turbulent atmosphere, including the Great Red Spot, and discovered volcanic activity on its moon Io. At Saturn, it captured images of the planet's intricate ring system, unveiling braided and twisted ring structures previously unseen. The flyby of Uranus in 1986 showcased a pale, featureless planet with faint rings and a bizarre magnetic field tilted 59 degrees from its rotational axis. Voyager 2 also detected a plasmoid, a magnetic structure ejected from Uranus's magnetosphere, an unexpected phenomenon that hinted at the complexity of planetary magnetic interactions. The mission's final planetary encounter was with Neptune in 1989, where Voyager 2 revealed the planet's dynamic atmosphere, including the Great Dark Spot, and discovered 6 new moons and a faint ring system. These flybys expanded our knowledge of the outer solar system, providing images and data that remain foundational to planetary science. After completing its planetary mission, Voyager 2 was directed to continue its journey into interstellar space as part of the Voyager Interstellar Mission, VIM. In November 2018, it crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the solar wind gives way to the interstellar medium, becoming the second human-made object, after Voyager 1, to enter true interstellar space. At this point, Voyager 2 was over 11 billion miles from Earth, operating on dwindling power from its radioisotope thermoelectric generators, RTGs. As Voyager 2 drifted beyond the heliosphere, its instruments began capturing data from a realm untouched by solar influence. Scientists expected readings of cosmic rays, interstellar plasma, and faint starlight. However, in recent years, the spacecraft's transmissions have included anomalies that defy conventional explanation. What was initially dismissed as static or background noise, a common occurrence in deep space, proved to be something far more intriguing. Among the routine data, scientists at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, detected a persistent, low-frequency signal embedded in Voyager 2's transmissions. Unlike typical noise patterns, this signal was consistent and structured, suggesting it was not a random artifact. More startling was the discovery of a series of images accompanying this signal, stored in a compressed, encrypted format that Voyager 2 was not programmed to generate independently. These images, decoded by NASA's Deep Space Team, revealed phenomena that challenge our understanding of the cosmos. The decoded images, extracted from thousands of routine frames, revealed 2 particularly striking anomalies. One image depicted an object with a symmetrical, lattice-like appearance suspended against the backdrop of interstellar space. Its geometry was too precise to be a natural formation, such as an asteroid or dust cloud. Analysts described it as resembling an artificial structure, a net or framework, isolated in the void. The object's isolation, far from any known celestial body, ruled out conventional explanations like planetary debris or cometary fragments. Another image showed a field of stars distorted in a manner consistent with gravitational lensing, a phenomenon where massive objects bend light from background stars. However, Voyager 2 was not near any known massive object, such as a star or black hole, that could cause such an effect. The distortion suggested the presence of an unseen force or object exerting significant gravitational influence, raising questions about what could be lurking in the interstellar medium. These images were not part of Voyager 2's programmed imaging protocols, which were designed to capture data on specific targets, such as planets or predetermined star fields. The unexpected nature of these frames, combined with their encrypted format, led to speculation that Voyager 2 had captured something it was not intended to see. Further analysis of the image metadata revealed an even more perplexing discovery: embedded numerical sequences within the image files. These sequences included binary strings, recurring prime numbers, and patterns resembling the golden ratio mathematical constructs often associated with intelligent design, such as in programming, encryption, or communication protocols on Earth. The presence of these patterns was highly unlikely to result from cosmic interference or random data corruption. Experts in data science and cryptography, brought in to analyze the sequences, concluded that the patterns were structured and intentional. Some posited that the sequences could be a form of encoded message, either directed at humanity or intended for Voyager 2 itself. This theory gained traction when analysts noted that the sequences appeared to align with the spacecraft's imaging parameters, as if designed to be discovered within the image data. Adding to the mystery, Voyager 2's onboard logs revealed an anomaly in the spacecraft's behavior at the time the images were captured. For a brief period, the spacecraft's orientation shifted slightly, by a fraction of a degree, without any command from Earth. Such a maneuver should have been impossible without explicit instructions, as Voyager 2's attitude control system relies on thrusters that require ground-based commands to activate. The adjustment was precise, aligning the spacecraft's camera directly with the object in the first image. Engineers at JPL ruled out malfunctions, collisions, or power surges as causes for the shift. The systems reported no errors, and the maneuver was executed cleanly, suggesting an external influence or an undocumented capability within Voyager 2 systems. This event raised chilling questions. Did Voyager 2 autonomously adjust its position to capture the image, or was it guided by an external force? Another unsettling detail emerged from the transmission logs. The header data for the anomalous images referenced a second image, assigned a packet number but missing from the received data. This lost image was either corrupted during transmission, lost in the vast distance between Voyager 2 and Earth, or, according to some theories, intercepted before it could reach NASA's Deep Space Network. The idea of an intercepted transmission implies a level of technological sophistication far beyond human capabilities. Intercepting and manipulating data across 14 billion miles in real time would require an advanced system capable of operating in the vacuum of interstellar space. Speculation about the contents of the missing image ranges from a clearer view of the lattice-like object to a direct visual of an unknown entity, perhaps even something observing Voyager 2. This is not the first time a Voyager spacecraft has reported anomalies. Declassified files from Voyager 1, which entered interstellar space in 2012, reveal similar unexplained phenomena. Sudden data shifts, unknown frequencies, and magnetic fluctuations dismissed at the time as sensor errors. These parallels suggest that both spacecraft may have encountered a common phenomenon, or phenomena, in interstellar space. Could the Voyagers have stumbled upon a cosmic boundary, a region monitored or marked by an unknown presence? The discovery of Voyager 2's hidden images has reignited the debate over the existence of intelligent life beyond Earth. Some astrophysicists argue that the images and embedded codes could be evidence of a non-natural object, a probe, beacon, or station left by an advanced civilization. The geometric structure and mathematical sequences align with what we might expect from an artificial construct designed to communicate or observe. Others caution that these findings could be a result of pareidolia, the human tendency to perceive patterns where none exist. Cosmic phenomena, such as plasma clouds or gravitational effects from undetected objects, could explain the images without invoking extraterrestrial intelligence. However, the independent agreement among multiple analysts on the artificial appearance of the structures, combined with the structured numerical sequences, challenges the pareidolia explanation. The classification of the raw image data by NASA has fueled speculation and distrust. Why have the uncompressed images not been released to the public? Is there additional data being withheld? These questions have led to theories that the images contain information too sensitive or too unsettling for public disclosure. The lattice-like structure and embedded codes suggest an artificial object designed to monitor or communicate. Could be a dormant relic from an ancient civilization or an active probe scanning for visitors like Voyager 2. Some speculate that the object is part of a larger network of structures marking a boundary in interstellar space, designed to detect or interact with objects crossing into a specific region. The images and signals could result from unknown natural phenomena, such as exotic matter or uncharted gravitational effects, that mimic artificial structures. The orientation shift and missing image raise the possibility that Voyager 2 was scanned or manipulated by an external force, potentially to deliver a message or obscure certain data. The implications of these findings are profound. If the images and codes are evidence of an extraterrestrial presence, they represent the first tangible proof of intelligent life beyond Earth. Even if the phenomena are natural, they suggest our understanding of the interstellar medium is incomplete, pointing to new physics or cosmic structures yet to be discovered. Voyager 2 was not designed to confront the unknown. Its mission was to observe, not to engage. Yet, its journey into interstellar space may have crossed an invisible threshold, revealing a glimpse of something ordered, precise, and possibly designed. The hidden images and embedded codes suggest a message, not necessarily intended for humanity, but captured inadvertently by a 1970s spacecraft drifting far from home. The silence following these discoveries is perhaps the most unsettling aspect. If Voyager 2 encountered an intelligent presence, the lack of further contact could indicate containment, a deliberate choice to reveal only enough to signal awareness without fully disclosing intent. Alternatively, the phenomena could be relics of a long-extinct civilization, silent sentinels in the void. Voyager 2's hidden images challenge our assumptions about the universe. They force us to confront the possibility that we are not alone, or that the cosmos holds secrets we are not yet prepared to understand. Whether the images depict an alien artifact, a natural anomaly, or something else entirely, they underscore the audacity of human exploration and the mysteries that await beyond the heliosphere. As Voyager 2 continues its silent drift, its fading power supply limits the data it can send. Each transmission could be its last, leaving us with fragments of a puzzle we may never fully solve. The images and signals it has already delivered, however, are a call to action, a reminder to keep looking, questioning, and exploring. The night sky may no longer feel as empty, but it is far from safe. What lies beyond the stars may be watching, waiting, or simply indifferent. The question is whether we are ready to face what comes next.